everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda Monet. Today I wanted to do a quick video on Dermacol. I realized I just recently did a makeup video where I used Dermacol and I didn't really spend a whole lot of time talking about it because that video ended up being really long. So I was recently asked to do a quick little video on this product. Just so you guys know, I really love this product. I've had it for a very long time. I've used it for a very long time. And the reason why I like it is because it really does cover a lot of imperfections. For me, I have a lot of freckles, but also a lot of discoloration in my face due to sun damage. And so I really prefer to cover that up. I also have, you can kind of see here, like I have purple under my eyes, and this does a really good job of covering up. I also have melasma on my face as well. It kind of makes me look like I have a mustache right here, but it's actually just discoloration above my upper lip. And so I especially cover it there as well so that I don't look like I have a mustache. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I have pretty dry skin, so I put rose hip oil and I just dab that all over my face before I apply. There's three things that I do. I put the rose hip oil on my skin, dab it in. I also use the Dermacol with my beauty blender and I just also dab that all over my skin. You can build this product. I would suggest using just a little bit at first though, because it really is very thick and full coverage. And then lastly, I brush just a little bit of setting powder where I need it, because let's face it, as we age, we get wrinkles, and wrinkles are actually wrinkles come out more when you put a lot of makeup on. And so I've found that when I use a translucent setting powder, just a little bit here and there, it really helps hide those creases that are in your face that the foundation creates. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it works. Okay, so I have my beauty blender and I also have my Dermacol. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Dermacol. I'll do one side of my face, and then that way you can kind of see the difference from the uncovered side. So I'm just gonna dab it. I always start under my eyes because that's my biggest problem spot. Just gonna dab just a little bit. I'm gonna do just a little here. Take a little more. All right. And then, so this is where I start. I always add more if I need it. I'm just gonna go ahead and so you can see I used just a very little bit. So you see I kind of just got rid of that little, more of like that purpley look. I'm gonna just add a little bit more and see what that does. Let's see. So it's very subtle, which is what I prefer. I don't want it to be like super crazy, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more here. Just kind of blend it in all over my face. All right, so let's see the difference here. So purple eye here, you can kind of see like more discoloration on my face. And there's a little bit more noticeable right here. And then, so obviously if it's like pure white or like just no difference in color, it's gonna look super weird or fake. So I don't mind just like the sheerness. Like I don't mind a slight different color in my face because that's natural, but you can see that it's definitely different from here to here. And then, see if I wanted to cover that up a little bit more, I could, but see how the difference here just kind of blurs it out. Now, what I like to take is actually, I blended it quite nicely and I don't really see a whole lot of wrinklage, but it does look a little shiny. So what I tend to do for like under my eyes or any specific spots, I have this little brush right here. It's actually my shadow brush for Urban Decay, but I just take this brush, I just get a little bit here. So this is my translucent powder. You can actually use any translucent powder, anything that's really light. Very, I get a mirror. And just, you know, dust it a little bit. And all that does is it just kind of takes up a little bit of that shine underneath the eye with not taking too much moisture out. So I just kind of brush it a little bit to get that off. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side and show you guys the final look on my face. Okay everyone, here is the final look. As you can see, it nicely blurs my freckles and my uneven skin tone. It doesn't fully get rid of my freckles, which I actually like that because I do like a little bit of freckles. I just don't like the hardcore discoloration that I see when I wake up in the morning with no makeup on. So if you are looking to try a new foundation that is full coverage, buildable, and also affordable, I definitely recommend looking into Dermacol. What I like about their brand is you can go on their website and hover over the different colors and it'll tell you what undertones it has and things like that. So it really helps you in the buying process as long as you know what your undertones are. So like you can go on there and it'll say sandy beige with olive undertones or yellow undertones. So it really helps guide the buying process. However, the website I've found takes quite a while for delivery. I don't know if they fixed that yet or not, but I also found the product on Amazon. So I'll put both links in my description below so you can easily just click and find and choose wherever you guys want to purchase it from. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please remember to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to turn on those notifications so that you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.